Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today, I am going to take mathematics class 4, class 1. And our today's topic is writing words. And our today's lecture number 2 and HW number 2. And very last one was a lecture number 1. We have learned here writing numbers, and today's here we will learn writing words. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Our today's topic is writing words. Look here, if I write here 9 6, if I write here 9 6, and it is called 96, NINETY, 96, SIX, 96. And look here, 6 is here ones place and 9 is here tens place. Now if I write here 121, 1 2 1, look here, 1 is ones place, 2 is here tens place, and this one is here 100 place. So how many hundreds are here? Here is 100. You have to write here ONE, 100, HUNDRED, 100. And how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20, TWENTY, 20. How many ones are here? 1. So in short, we can say here 121. Now, if I write here 3, 4, 6. Look here, 6 is here is ones place, 4 is here tens place, and 3 is here 100 place. So how many hundreds are here? How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. THREE, 300. HUNDRED, 300. How many tens are here? 4 tens. 4 tens means 40, FORTY, 40. And how many ones are here? 6 ones. So we can write 46, SIX. So 346 is 346. Now if I write here 479, 9 is here ones place, 7 is here tens place, and 4 is here 100 place. So how many hundreds are here? How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. HUNDREDS, 4 hundreds. How many tens are here? 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. SEVENTY, 70. How many ones are here? 9 so here is 79, NINE. 479 is 479. And then if I write here 2 4 4, 2 is here 100 place, 4 is here tens place, and 4 is here ones place. So how many hundreds are here? Here is 200, TWO, 200, HUNDRED, 200. How many tens are here? 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. So here we can write FORTY, 40. How many ones are here? 4 ones. 4 ones means 4. So 44. So 244 is 244. My dear students, hope you understood how can we write writing words. In this question, you are given the numbers and you have to write the spelling of the given numbers. And look here, here is your HW number 2, here is your HW number 2, 500, 438, 207, 111 and 71. You have to write these numbers in words. And you have to submit this one in your school campus at next Saturday. Hope you understood today's class. Practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.